Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you what fits in the Longchamp pouch with handle. And while you guys are here, I then am going to transfer those items over into this pouch because I know a lot of you guys already have this pouch. So that way you guys can see the difference and similarities between the pouches. But honestly, just looking at them, I feel like this purple one here, you probably could fit a little bit more. However, these serve completely two different functions in my collection. For the purple one here is more of like an SLG, a like catch-all, toiletry, cosmetic pouch, pencil case, like that sort of thing. Whereas this, I really want it as like a mini handbag wristlet type of bag. So, but you can totally use this as the same thing, kind of like hand-holded. And I know some of these also have like little handles on them as well, but I really just wanted something that definitely fits my phone and definitely fits exactly what I need if I'm just going somewhere quick and that sort of thing. But real quickly, I wanted to mention this little guy. This is the Neo Extra Small from Longchamp. I love this bag. When I did my video on these two, I feel like I was being a little negative on this extra small, but please don't get me wrong, I love this bag. I would buy this bag a million times over. I've been using it every single day since I got it in the mail, and I absolutely love it. It fits everything I truly need, and it does fit quite a bit. It just depends on the shapes of the items that you're putting in here, because you know, obviously this bag is small and my items are pretty small, so they all like fall flat, so they're kind of like weirdly like stacked versus like this way stacked. So it can be a little bit difficult to find your items, but it's not like a major con at all. So don't get me wrong, I love this bag. I just felt like, oh Natalie, you're being a little negative, but love this bag. I will put that video in the cards and below as well for you. So let's get started with this little guy, because this fits everything I need. This is the nylon in the navy with the gold hardware. You also can get this in the coated canvas as well. This retails for $65. I think the coated canvas is $125, but I think the $65 is a really good price point for this. And you know, they might always have sales on certain colors like after the season is over. So what I do love about this pouch though, guys, it has black interior. I don't know about all the other colors, but at least this one has black interior, which I love. I do film on my phone, so for today we're going to be using this guy as my phone. So we're gonna put that in here. My phone is the Galaxy that I got last spring, so it's a newer phone. It's pretty big. I will put the exact model below. I have to look it up again, but it does fit in here and it fits just fine. I then have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, which I love. And then I have my Aspinall of London wallet. I love this. It has 3 card slots on the back. And then it has like a zipper here, which is like so smooth. And it's exactly the same size as the key pouch. So like this one is just a little bit wider because obviously the zipper, but it's perfection. So we have the phone in there, and then we're gonna put these two in front of the phone. Ooh. I probably should have did this the other way with my camera, and just so that way you guys can just see the pouch. So there we go with that. As you can look at it this way, there's a lot of room to fit things on top, and that's kind of like the same type of thing with this bag. Then we always got to be carrying around a lip gloss, lipstick, definitely, or a chapstick. So that's going to take that place. Lotion, always, because we're always hand sanitizing, and it's the winter time, my hands are so dry. And a hand sanitizer. I always carry a few of these around, but for the sake of this little mini bag, we only need one. So we're gonna put the hand sanitizer on the side here. See that? And then the lotion, I'm probably just gonna like honestly just lay it on top. And same thing with this little guy, the lip gloss or chapstick. And I mean, and honestly, you guys can probably fit like 5 more of them in here. A mask, usually we're wearing it, or I have it like around my neck on like a little necklace, but here's just an extra mask. And honestly, that's all I need. And you can still fit quite a bit. So you have some gum, some mints, that sort of thing. You can still fit it in here just fine. So let me just take the mask off so you can see how this looks. But it's not like overly stuffed. Like you can still like kind of smush it down. You know what I mean? Like, there's still some room over here, that sort of thing. But this is exactly, and then the mask goes right in here. And then let me just zip it shut. And there you go. But again, it's still, there's still a lot of room. Like I can bend the fabric, that sort of thing. and it's not like overly stuffed by any means, and it's like a really good weight. It's not even too heavy at all. Now, when I probably put my phone in there, it's probably gonna have a little bit more weight to it because my phone is a little bit heavier than that blush palette, but yeah, it's like perfect. This is exactly what I wanted it for. And the crazy part is, it's exactly what I put in here, minus this guy, which I don't always need, and my mini pochette, which just holds extra hand sanitizer, some Advil, which could totally fit in that pouch, and my vaccination cards, which that would definitely still fit in here. I just didn't want to share them. But yeah, like that's just crazy. But obviously if you want like a crossbody bag, this is perfect. This is so perfect. Such a great bag. I love that bag. It's so comfortable. But yeah, everything just fits right all in here. It's so cute. I just absolutely love it. And honestly, if I was probably just like running next door or something, or I don't know, somewhere really quick, going to Wawa or whatever, I probably would just bring even less than that. It probably would literally just be my keys. Oh, my keys are downstairs. Your keys would totally fit in here still. Okay, you just like lay them right on top. But yeah, I would probably just have my phone, keys, and wallet and like run to where I'm going and coming right back. So this still fits quite a bit. And again, like everything you truly need. So I'm really happy with that. So let me share with you in here. There's already stuff in here. So I'm going to take that stuff out so I can share with you what the items look like going in one by one. White interior, not happy about it. And as you can tell, I mean, this thing, like, it just already looks a lot thicker. So then, you know, these two goodies in here. See, I mean, you can already tell it's a lot. The base is a lot wider, longer, and thicker, in my opinion. My phone. I need to find like an old phone to do this with, but my old phones are a lot smaller than the phone I have now. And my phone, my newer phone, does definitely fit in here as well. We have hand sanitizer, the gloss, and the hand lotion. So just gonna put that in there. I think I should put it in a little bit neater. But yeah, you definitely have a lot more room than the pouch with handle. I mean, oh my gosh. So let me just put all like this stuff in here. I mean, you could fit quite a bit. Have a floss. I mean, I could probably even fit this in there. Still, oh my god, yeah. Okay. Well, now it might be, well, I probably can still get it shut. But yeah, so I even have that card case in here. And as you can tell, you still have a lot of room. And because of the where the zipper is, this will definitely fit even more stuff. Because you can even put a little bit more stuff on top there. So let me zipper that for you guys. Oh my god, this thing is packed. I mean, you can probably even fit just a little bit more up the top here. But yeah, look at that. So you can definitely fit a lot more in these pouches than in this pouch, and that is completely fine with me because for me this is definitely a more like toiletry case, cosmetic case, and I would definitely want to fit a lot more in here versus this guy. But this literally packs everything that I need and more, definitely for what I want to use it for. So I am super happy with this pouch. Absolutely love it, love it. But yeah, if you have this, just know you will probably have to downsize just a little bit, but not really by that much, depending on what you carry. But yeah, this pouch is awesome. I know a lot of people collect these. I'm the type of person when it comes to Longchamp, I don't need it in every color, but I would like every size. You know what I mean? So I try not to repurchase the exact same handbag, except for maybe this guy. I feel like I would definitely want to get this in a summer color. But other than that, I have no desire to own like the same pouches in just different colors. Like, even though I love it, but I'd rather have more of a variety than the same color over and over again. But anyway, yeah. So if you're just wondering, there you go. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, definitely let me know below. But you know, this is definitely, I feel like, wider, longer, and taller for sure. But again, I feel like this is definitely more of a like small handbag. You can totally use this as an SLG, like in your handbag as well. And I might end up doing that in certain bags, especially if you're traveling and you want to use this as a pouch, and then when you're going out, then just use this as a mini bag. But this is just awesome. I think it's so cute and such a great idea from Longchamp, and I feel like especially because this extra small is such a hit that I think this is such a cutie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. I will definitely be posting a Longchamp handbag collection, an SLG collection, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'll put the link below as well when that is up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.